Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you in Adobe Premiere Pro how you can add text. So without further ado, let's jump right into this video and make sure you subscribe for more tutorials. So if you actually, once you open import your video and then you go here to edit, and here you should see this tab or this window, right? And this window is from here. Now this is the window. Actually, that's not a window, but this is the window. This window, whatever. But this window, and if you click on this type tool, you click on T, that's the shortcut, or you can also click on there, and then you can go here, and now you created the space where you can type hello everyone. Now you can highlight this and you can change the color, you can change the style, and if you can't see this, make sure you click on here and select captions and graphics. Now we can also hold Alt and zoom in, and then Shift so we can zoom left and right, so we can see here. So here, this is our text. And now if you want to align this so it's right in the middle, you can do it from here, align and transform. From here you can transform, and you can now transform this and move exactly where you want. This is another text that we created by mistake, so you can right click and select clean. And from here we can select the text. If you like something bold, we can change the size from here, and we can move this exactly where you want from transform panel. And that's pretty much how you add text in Adobe Premiere. I really hope you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.